Whoa, that's it, whoa. Right, we are going to give our Nissan Navara some love. We are going to pressure wash it. We're going to get it up on these scary ramps where it does this, woo, cantilever thing. But you can see we've got this sort of surface rust here. Right, what have we got? We've got grease. So the grease you can put on really rusty bits and nuts and stuff. And that, what's that look like? It does smell like you're in a field of sheep. Then we've got some of the actual liquid gloop. So this sprayer goes on this end, look, so that should have us in there. Ah, there you go, look, nozzle locked. Anyway, we're warm and ready to go. That's doing good in there, let's see how much we're using. But we are just... We'll have a look at it after a few hours and see what it looks like. It should all now be dry, so you see when it dries it has a much more matte factory sort of finish effect. Let's have a look at the front suspension. I'll dive underneath and we'll have a look. Right, so there you are underneath. So it doesn't make everything black, but it makes everything, certainly all the sort of cast metal bits now have all got a nice factory look to them. Lanoguard, big fans, get your car protected, save yourself all the welding and everything. Let's go.